y'all, Sam here, and today we're going to unbox the Ipsy Plus bag for the month of June. I'm super excited. Last month's box was so good. I probably should mute my phone because it's already beeping. Oh. If you guys saw my unboxing of May, it was awesome. BoxyCharm and Ipsy were amazing for May, so fingers crossed that June is just as good as May was. So we have a little card inside and it says Make Waves June 2020, and this does not list my products in it. I don't know why they keep doing that. For some reason in the Ipsy Plus bags, I've not gotten a card that tells me the price of the products in quite some time. So we're gonna have to look those up. So the first item in my box is from Purlisse, and this is the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. I am super excited to get this. I hope it smells like watermelon, y'all. Okay. It is like a clear gel. It is so soft and moist. Some people don't like that word, moist. But it's super soft and fast drying. It really, really absorbs into your skin. It doesn't leave it oily at all, which I absolutely love. And it smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. This smells amazing. Makes me want to lick myself. And now that I've Googled the price for you guys, it looks like this is ranging anywhere from $28 to $38, just depending on what website you go to. But this is a plus for me. The box was $50 if I didn't already mention that. So this being like $30 value, we almost have the value of the box. We're off to a good start. The bag, I forgot to do the bag. This is the bag this month. It is all these beautiful plus size ladies in their bathing suits. Definitely inclusive of all sizes and colors. The inside is yellow with a pink label. While this isn't my favorite design of a bag ever, I do love the inclusivity of people and sizes that they have chosen to do for this summer edition bag. So the next item I got in my box is Dr. Brandt No More Pores Luminizing Primer. I've received this in a box before, and I do like this primer. It goes on your skin very light. It doesn't leave it greasy. It's not slick. It doesn't feel the same as like a Smashbox primer where it's got that kind of a slick feeling to it on your skin afterwards, which I'm not a huge fan of, but it doesn't feel as like tacky on the skin as like a Benefits Cosmetics No More Pores or No More Pore Blums, whatever it's called. This one is just a really nice smooth finish to the skin. It has a little bit of a flesh tone color to it. I'm gonna rub it in here. So I mean, it does feel slightly tacky, more tacky than I remember actually. Okay, so I totally lied before. This does feel tacky. It's not quite dry yet, but it definitely doesn't feel slick. It doesn't feel oily or slippery. I actually really like this primer. I do feel like it helps your foundation stay on longer. And on Sephora's website, this is $38. So now we're up to what? Like a $70 value, which is pretty darn good for a $50 box. $50 box. This box is not $50. Y'all, I am a hot mess today. This box is $25. $25. So we're already at a $75. So we're already at like a $70 value, and this box is $25. Get it together, Sam. Get it together. So the third item in my box is this brush set from F.A.R.A.H. We've gotten one or two of their brushes in the past, and I really do like their brushes. Okay, so now that I got the brushes out of the packaging, we'll take a closer look at them. These are really nice. They're definitely soft. They're synthetic brushes. They are vegan and cruelty-free. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the handles are wood, even though they look like metal, but they're very lightweight. They don't feel expensive because they are so lightweight, but I don't mind a lightweight brush, especially when you're doing an intricate eye look like I did this one today. I used the Violet Voss palette and did kind of like a mermaid inspired look. If you guys would be interested in seeing how I made this look, let me know in the description box below and maybe I'll upload a video on that. So looking online, this brush set's worth $48. Okay, I definitely think that's a little overpriced, but either way, I'm glad to have them. All right, so now we are on to the fourth item, and we have a black liquid eyeliner. Doesn't surprise me, that is a very common thing in these subscription boxes. I do use black liner almost every day, but I prefer a brush liner, and I'm pretty sure, yes, it is. This is a felt tip liner. So it is a felt tip pen. The brand on this is Araceli, and it says it's the Ojos Perfectos Liquid Liner. Let's go ahead and test her out. Very smooth. This one might actually work for me. What I don't like about felt tip liners is that they often get stuck. Like you're pulling it and nothing comes off the pen anymore. And then I feel like I'm dabbing across my lid versus brushing across my lid. And I much rather brush. My eyelids are a little bit older and they're a little more wrinkly. So I need a smooth liner. So when I'm really smooth and I'm not seeing any bleeding into my skin, which is really impressive to me, and I'm actually excited to try this one out. This eyeliner retails for $17. All right, so now we are at the fifth item, and this is from Ciate London's Marbled Metals. I am super excited about this. The color I received is Entwine. I'm hoping that it's gonna be like a goldy, like champagne-y color, because that's just my go-to. That is what I like. This is what it looks like when you open it on the inside. It has like this little thing to push it down because it looks like it's kind of loose, but okay, it doesn't fall out. I was kind of scared. Didn't want to spill it all over my desk, but wow. That is super pretty and shiny. I know this is an eyeshadow, but I'm totally dying to like try it on as a highlighter. So let's just dab, dab, dab and see what she does. Wow. Yeah, you can totally wear her as a highlighter. Now we gotta balance this out. Y'all, I love this. Okay, I'm gonna rub it on my finger. Wow, look how pigmented that is. And let's swatch her right here on my hand. Yes, girl, shine for the gods. This eyeshadow is $24, you guys. And I am super excited to have it in this box. Let me go ahead and add up all these totals so we can see the total value of this $25 box. Not $50, $25 box. I'll be right back. All right, now that I've tallied everything up, the total of all of these products was $151 this month. That is amazing for a $25 box. That's absolutely why I love Ipsy and subscription boxes, because you get so much for your money. I mean, $25 is literally like this product, and I got everything else for free. If you guys are interested in signing up for Ipsy, I'm gonna link my referral code in the description box below. It's not affiliated, I don't get any money for it, but I do earn like referral bonus points. So if you're interested, use that code. If you don't want to, that's completely fine as well. Well, I can't wait to hear what you guys thought. Did you think my box this month was better than last month's? I can't wait to hear what you guys think. And until next time, bye y'all. Oh, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It really would help out my channel. Okay, bye for real this time.